look at all the tarpon, guys. There's so many. I watch a video, if you spit in the water, I'll eat it.
Go.
I have to try. Just for the video. Dang it, it didn't eat it. These are lies. Oh my god, but look at how many big snappers there are. We got 2 nurse sharks up there. We got, that's the biggest tarpon of them all as I see right now. We got a ton of tiny.
That one's bigger.
Yeah, that one's probably bigger. Oh my god, this is so cool. They're eating everywhere. If I tossed if I tossed a little X-Wrap in here, bam, it's gone. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at that tiny one. I would be fine with catching that little guy right there. Mom, come on, you want to see all these tarpon?
Tarpon where?
Right here.
Oh my god.
There's a nurse shark back there.
Cool. Mom, come see all these giant tarpon.
They're giant, they're babies. These things are puny. Mom, want to see all the tarpon? My god, there's a ton. That's a nice one.
Yeah, it's the biggest one out of the bunch so far.
Oh!
Oh my god, oh that was so cool. What's here?
Tarpon, these are all just big, tiny tarpon. There's the nurse shark back there.
Right
What
there.
is that?
Nurse shark. Don't take it by your finger.
Maya, look at the shark.
I wonder if I
That
throw a
is
leaf
the
in.
coolest thing,
If
huh?
I throw this leaf in there, it'll eat it.
Sean, what's that fish over there?
Oh, told you. I told you.
Sean,
Hey, let me try, let me
what are
try.
those
Snap.
fish?
Those are snapper.
Wow.
Everything in here is just super
Oh, it's
size.
so cool.
Assuming no fishing.
No fishing, but we sell shrimp and you guys can feed them. Yeah. $4 for a bag of shrimp.
You want to feed them for $4?
Sure, do it. It's just to cut it.
Here you go, buddy.
Thanks. Let's hand feed some tarpon.
Can I drop?
We're hand feeding this guy. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Look at them. Oh my god. Oh my god. The second I dropped it in. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. That was scary.
Oh, I want that big one.
Oh my god. You want it? You want it? Let's see if I can pet him. I just petted a shark.
Oh, I want to pet a shark.
Oh my god. Wait.
Oh, it's so cute.
I just petted the shark.
You mean pet?
Look. Oh, snapper got it. Look. Oh my god, now they're all going over there. Did you hear that like gunshot?
Look at me, guys.
Oh, the shark.
Sean, come on, can I get a picture of Kimmy?
Look, I'm gonna toss it right back there. I'm petting the tarpon.
No sharks are very gentle, actually. Yeah, they're actually very gentle.
Oh, I got splashed.
No, you're doing it.
Yeah, it's because I'm a risky fool.
I love to.
I don't care. Ooh, look, we have a whole entire school of these little babies coming in. Oh! Wait, do you have my gloves? Hell yeah. Now I can really stick my hand in there. Dad. Okay, we got gloves on and we're going in for the big boys. Oh god. Oh my god, why did you try to eat my hand? Oh, come on. Ah, dang it.
What kind of those gobs say?
I'm gonna use them for lobstering.
I want to pet it. No, you spit it.
Of
Did you
course.
grab his tail?
Yeah. Oh my god, one trying to eat my hand. Oh my god, they're trying to eat my hand right now. It's so fun.
Mom, he has gloves.
Ooh. I just grabbed the shark.
That's a bigger nurse shark over there.
I'm not.
There's a nurse shark right there.
Come on, Sharky. Oh,
I already did.
I just grabbed the shark. This is so crazy.
Oh, I love this.
Okay, come on.
Those sharks are my favorite sharks because they're so gentle. They don't really have many teeth. Their mouths are just like sandpaper.
Okay, I need to wait for Tarpon to come like that.
Yeah, I guess so. Are you trying to grab him by the tail?
Kind of.
Do it. Do it, I dare you.
Kinda.
I dare you to grab him by the tail. Careful. I was dying.
Dang it. Oh my god.
They literally eat anything. Oh, he got it!
I got him. There he goes. I got him. I know, I'm a psycho. I do. Guys, I just grabbed a shark by hand. Without it, like, not in the water. Oh my god.
Alright, let's noodle yourself.
I just noodled the shark.
No, I have to speak a lot.
Mom. Oh my god, squirrel.
No.
Squirrel fight. We got a squirrel fight here. Squirrel fight here, folks. Will Jimmy or John win? Who will win? Jimmy or John? Who will know? Hell yeah.
Let's go.